Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 17-inch wheels. Black MB text interior with a dark brown linden wood trim. Sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Heated seats, memory seats. Smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. Navigation. Rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic select for the different driving patterns. This C-Class has 40,653 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.